Hey guys,
Wagwan.
what's up?
Welcome back to the Daily Pride family, guys.
And as you're coming in, remember to give us a thumbs up, subscribe
guys.
if you are new.
Yeah, guys.
Alright.
Hit the like button. Turn your post notifications on the all settings.
Yep.
So you don't miss an upload, guys.
Yeah. So guys, always I bring everything we know, right? Or experiences, we just love to share with you.
Right.
So, one of our newest experiences being scammed.
Yeah. Right, like legit scam, like.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Actually, on the internet, there are a lot of scams. You get me I say?
Yeah.
Coming in all different size and shape, right? They be making the news, right? So basically, the authorities and so on, them can't keep up with the amount of scam we are going on,
It's so different, and I think that we thought that we were aware of quite a number of the possible ways that people is scamming on the internet, because trust me, persons around us have had experiences.
Yeah.
And we have certainly been on the better end, I would say, from learning also with them from those experiences.
Right. I want to tell you say,
So alright, let me start it off, right? So how we are scroll through Facebook, and I'm not really too good with Facebook. So any one of you have ever messaged me on Instagram or Messenger, know say I probably take a little while to respond.
Yeah.
Sorry guys. But Adrian now I scroll through Facebook. I know Facebook always have the little
ads them come up. Some weird stores, you understand, with some nice, innovative looking items, or some looking items where you probably want for some cheaper price.
Yeah,
you get me I say?
They always have some really catchy stuff
Yeah.
that are there. Whether it is the good looking work clothes, the shoes.
Yeah, some little gadget.
Yeah.
Things around the home to make things make life easier, all them kind of stuff, them have them on Facebook. So I always see them, I'm kind of ignore them. You know, I don't want to be too thrifty. I always have to work with a budget. You know, I overspend sometimes, you know. So, but anyway, we see this item first on Facebook. It's actually a gimbal. Right?
Agent
we see
site.
it. Yeah.
And brought it to my attention.
Yeah.
I was like, wow.
Yeah, we see it. Right? So it have like image. It's a full-fledged gimbal, guys.
Yeah.
Right? Oh, yeah, it's on.
So
right.
it's actually powered. It has a battery, so you can actually charge it. Now let me tell you why this caught our attention.
Look at it, guys.
Yeah.
So we found this on Facebook and we buy it. So we want to do vlogging because we never actually have a handle thing for the phone before.
And here's the difference. So we use our GoPro, right?
Yeah.
And the GoPro has motion stabilizer. So even if you're moving and doing stuff, the GoPro keeps the images steady.
Yeah.
But when we're using the phone, it's not the same. So we have to always be very cautious, keep the phone straight, and me have a problem keeping phone straight.
Yeah.
Right? So this was very neat for us when
so
we saw it.
Right, we see it. The price of my bad was $30. I say, alright, fine. The story looks strange, but I mean, $30, I'm not dead. You see me? But anyway, me purchase with PayPal, and boom, shipping it take long still, over a month, but me get it. You see me? Immediately when I make the order, them send tracking information and all of that, and I got the item. So I say, well, the Facebook thing are gone.
Yeah, I at first we were skeptical because we were like, these strange stores, I normally ignore them.
Yeah.
I ignore everything.
True.
Right? But this one, I was like, let us see. Because I really want this item for a longer time now. Let us see.
Right.
And we got it. It took a little while, but everything turned out good.
We get it, right. So after that now, I see other items start pop up now. Like a big storage container for around at the back. And I say, blow, this will really organize with life because we have some clutter now around the back.
And we need some extra storage. Desperately.
We see that.
Right?
And then like we see an umbrella. A nice little umbrella because guys
that
don't know.
Use outside.
Yeah, I don't know. So I do my grilling and them thing there. So the umbrella will help we, to get some shade outside.
And outside hot.
Yeah, outside really hot. The sun turn up. Portmore we live, so we know the thing go. So I see them two items here and I order them like 2 days apart. I see the storage container, I make the order. Them send me.
You know what else we saw too? We saw this really cute makeup table.
Oh,
and
yeah.
And Adrian was like, wow. And I was like, oh my God, let us buy it. But they were like, all right.
I said, I'm not sure about the quality of the material because the price cheap.
Yes.
The thing about them sites here too, guys, the price them extra cheap.
The price is the catch.
Right? The price is the catch. Because like the storage container there, it's 8 foot, 8 by 6 by 4, I think.
Yeah, we can probably try and find an image that we can show you.
That big. You understand? When I really think about it, and it has sell for like $40 including shipping. I say rotted. This cheap, man. Because I see some other storage stuff with like some people that say them have install storage for like 100,000 and all them something there.
So I think that we just got like this worked out for us. Like this worked and we're like, well, if this worked, then probably buying other stuff.
Yeah.
And these little apps, little stores can actually be
save us, yeah. So me pay for the storage container and them send me other details. You understand?
Not only that, but we actually pay for the storage and we pay for the umbrella.
Yeah.
So we bought two things after that.
Yeah, man. So boom now. The storage container, me get tracking information from. It was sent in PayPal. The website where them send me the link where them send me, when me click it, there's no website after that. Me I wonder what I go on. But PayPal now, couple days later, the tracking information was put in PayPal. So I say, alright, cool. Right? The umbrella now, another $50 item. The umbrella now, guys, like, me not see nothing from them.
Yeah.
Me probably only get the order confirmation, awaiting payment. In fact, me gonna leave. You guys look there, yeah? You see awaiting payment. That in the website is still up saying awaiting payment. No, awaiting shipment, something like that. Guys, you can see it over the side there. Yeah, so up to today, the website still have that up. Right? The container ship off, me check the tracking, it'll work, it'll give me update, leave the warehouse, reach at it, report, all of these things.
So bear in mind though, you know, like this is taking a really long time. Not a quick time, it's a really long time.
Like so, probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Exactly, before you even hear anything from them.
Yeah.
But here's the thing now, for the umbrella, the umbrella now was more obvious right off the bat. You're not getting any form of information.
Not at all. Me not see no tracking up to...
Exactly.
The storage container send off how long and the umbrella, me not get nothing. So me just link PayPal right away and tell them, say, listen, me not get nothing.
About what, 3 weeks after?
Probably, yeah, because I was being a little patient.
Yeah.
Me not see nothing. So me link PayPal and boom, them
return back the money for the umbrella.
Yeah.
So like, alright, that company is a scam.
Right, but...
the storage container thing seems to be
legit, because like the item send, you understand me? I say, alright, the company are cool.
Information is on its way.
Yeah.
You know, we get all excited, like, yes, storage container,
come. Yeah, man. So, guys, the day when the thing, like, get the tracking, say, yo, the thing reach out the local post office now, I say, rotted, yes.
Yeah.
I'm going to go there well excited, guys.
Expecting to see a big package.
Yeah, man. So, because you know that's something, even though I forgot to fit it up, it's
supposed
big.
To be big.
8 by 6 by whatever, straight come in a big boxes. So the girl now, when I tell the girl the tracking information, give the girl the tracking information at the post office now, guys. Like, I see she had check on the shelf. I said, no, baby girl, I want to back it up. I probably look for that in like a big box. Where I expect big box. You get me? I say, so she look and she don't see nothing and she go up on the system and she said there and thing and she go and look again. Till eventually the girl come to me with one little bag, guys. And this the girl carry come give me. And when I look upon this, the tracking information match. So me I say, oh that and a storage container me I expect.
Yeah.
Me so shame like dog. Me never bother open it in front of her. Me never bother tell her say I eat. You understand? Me just act like say I know eat or my item not reach yet.
Yeah.
You get me? So I go outside now, jumping at the car now and thing. I'm really watch you guys look what the people them send me. For the storage container, one toothbrush, the people them send me, guys. One toothbrush. Tracking information mad, so them a tie you out. They not send one little cheap toothbrush for your money.
They send something.
Them send something, yeah.
I guys, the umbrella people them not getting nothing.
Guys, link PayPal right away. This is a good thing, you know. When you're buying from companies you're not sure about,
yes,
use PayPal.
Use a third party because you need something to protect yourself.
Right. Overall, guys, I would say do not buy from anywhere that you're not sure about. Right? Research about the company. Right? But if all else fail, use PayPal. You understand? So we link PayPal, guys, and within minutes we get the refund back. You understand? So
jokes on them, right?
Yeah, man. Get it back.
Jokes on them. Well, jokes on us too. Because we got tricked.
We get tricked,
we got
man.
scammed.
We get tricked. We get
that
tricked.
bad.
Guys, you know what's the weirdest thing about all of this?
Yeah.
Facebook isn't able to regulate these stores that are promoting their posts on their page.
It's kind of funny, you know?
Yeah. But I mean, if me and you make a post or a comment where them not too like them quick to strike your thing, take down your page and all them thing there. You get me? I say so. It make you wonder like where them priority really lie. You know, if in a for them mind they make certain hate speech, quote unquote.
Yeah.
You know, them delete you off of Facebook, them ban you and all them something there. Quite weird, isn't it?
But a lot of scamming is also going on the platform. So I think that's something definitely that they need to consider.
Yeah,
how
man.
they can regulate this, because on these platforms you go and you use it so much. There are so many users here, and there are so many companies, there are so many scammers out there that are just scamming persons out of their hard earning money. There must be something that can be done.
Yeah.
You know?
Whether it be Facebook or Instagram. You get me I say? I see Instagram page have 50,000 followers on it. Scammer page, scammer tech pages with 50,000 followers on Instagram.
Yeah.
And Instagram no lock it down. You see me?
True. Guys, we have to just be careful out there, because social media is this wonderful space. It has given us so much information, so much opportunity out there.
Yeah.
But it has also increased the opportunity for those around us to be dishonest, right?
Guys.
Like we've known of so many cases. I tell us a few that
Alright. So them have several type of scam. One where them have some tech Instagram page, like them sell iPhone. So for example, like iPhone 11 in Jamaica now, they sell it for like 130,000 or more. A brand new iPhone 11 Pro. Right? In a store, you would probably sell it for 80,000, 70,000.
Yeah.
Right then and there, guys, if a store is selling an item for significantly less than you would get it at an official store, red flag, something wrong. Right?
Yeah.
So them Instagram store here, guys, them not sell no phone, them must send you some account information for you send off your money. And then them just disappear. It's a big scam we are going. That even happened to somebody where we know personally.
Yeah.
And she see the phone, it was a older iPhone. Right? Because she don't want to buy like a cheap iPhone and thing. And she come to me and show me the phone. I say, you know, say this look too cheap. Because if you go up on Amazon, you get it for a lot more. So why they must sell it so cheap? How they make a profit? It don't make no sense. Right?
Yeah.
So that's a one scam, guys. Another popular scam where them have. So if like
you're a legit business selling a product.
You sell some iPhone now, guys.
Yeah.
What them do, them send a blank check in your account. And you know, say from we go to the ATM machine with a check and lodge it, they ask you for the amount that on the check, and immediately you're gonna see that reflecting in your account. But it won't be available. It will be what? Current balance?
Current balance, but not available.
Right. So for example, you have $50,000 in your account, guys. And somebody put $100,000 blank check in your account. When you go, you're gonna see current balance $150,000.
So you're gonna say balance 50.
Right, but
so check that.
But you're gonna see the current balance 150. Say, oh, the money land. Alright, we can deliver the goods.
Yeah.
No, guys. Check take days to clear.
Yeah.
Check with the bank, right? Ensure that a cash deposit
takes more than a month.
Yeah, if it's an overseas check.
Now, even if it's an overseas check, because I've lodged checks in Jamaica, and I was told that it will take 60 days. I was shocked, but yes, it has happened to me.
Guys, ensure say the money clear in your account before you deliver your goods. Right? That are one other type of scam them have.
And that is very prevalent. More than one persons have been complaining about that.
Yeah, guys, so these are the type of scams. Another one with them have now. So this actually happened to my father now. He never get catching up because him linked me when it did go on. So he was selling rim and tire. So he have him truck and he did that change the rims.
Yeah.
Right? So he sell the original Toyota rims them. Right? Boom, he put it up on the internet. For $450 he was selling them for. Right? Boom now, guys. Somebody link him. He was like this, what you call it? Like some like Craigslist him posted it on. Boom now the person link him. Right? Said him I gonna send it over because they need the rims or whatever.
Yeah.
Him said no problem. Boom, they mail him the check. Instead of $450 check, guys, them send him $2,500 check. And then I tell him say a mistake.
Send back the money. Send back the extra money.
Right. But guess what, guys? Them now focus on the rims no more, you know. They're more interested in getting the money from.
Money.
So them are gonna send a guy to pick up the rims. Just send
back the money.
Just send back the $2,100. Cause a 2.5 what the balance? Whatever the balance is, guys, $2,050 I think would have been the balance. Them I say just send back the $2,050. We will get a guy to pick up the rims. So me I say, oh, the kind of mistake that the people have made. I say, Daddy, no send no money back to them, you know. Wait, you know.
That's a significant amount of money.
You understand?
If you go mistake and send out.
You understand?
If you do that, we're not tear out your head.
Guys, so what them do? Them a try get money out of you because them know the bank will come back for their money.
Yeah.
Right? So basically they're scamming you. So guys, this video is just to kinda bring to light some of these scams that they have on the internet. Right?
Check out everything.
Yeah.
Ensure that the business, if you're buying from an online source, ensure that the source is legit.
Yes.
Go research it.
Yes.
Ensure that you're buying from a third party. If you are doing business online, be careful. People have ways out there of taking your goods. And this is how it hurts, right? You are sell things for $120,000. You are giving value to the person. So I just gave you $120,000 worth of goods. And I think that I got my money only to realize that my available balance is the same as it was before. So I really do have no money to spend. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, what really happens is when you lodge a check, right, the ATM print a receipt back to you. So the person will send you a picture of the receipt, say, hey, see me lodge the money here. But is a check them put in and them input the amount.
Yeah.
You know? So guys,
this is just guys.
Yeah, man, it's out there and we all have to be smart. Alright, so
and it's out there in different forms. Could be amazing. Like sometimes you're on YouTube, and that's why we have to share our information. That's why we decided to just put it out there and share all of the experiences that we heard of and our experiences, because guess what? That's how we learn.
Me even see a company contacted me the other day saying that I should review game.
Yeah.
When I say review game, that means I have to install something on my computer. When we research the company not legit, guys. Some could have easily, so them willing to pay me. Basically, they're saying that they're marketing this game now and them have a lot of money to spend. That's what they must say. So me, if I tell them how much money I want to promote the game. Right? So if me did booming now, me that say, oh yeah, alright, me run to install it. But what would happen is, they would have install some adware onto your computer to like steal your information, to probably steal your YouTube channel.
Not even that too, but people open up them banking information on them computer.
Exactly.
They have your whole life there basically.
Right.
Once they get access to certain details, they have information on everything.
Yes.
And them can get all your passwords to your account, your certain apps, certain businesses, certain things, they got that information now. So we have to just be careful because them coming at us from every angle.
Trust me.
Right? And if we get scammed, let us know. Come
on. I want to learn about
comment section. come. We need to hear when we in the comment section.
Yes, guys.
What happened to you? I want to get scammed. Tell me.
Scams I want to learn about and hear about. I could know the kind of scams in the comments.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Because the more we know, the more we can protect ourselves. Knowledge is power, guys.
So guys, I guess this is it. Thanks for watching. Alright.
Bye, guys. Oh, if you don't know subscribe yet, subscribe.
And hit the like button, guys.
And hit the post notification bell. Put the settings on off. So every time we post a video, you'll be the first to know.
Alright, guys. Peace out.